Okay, so here is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G with an Exynos CPU. I will do an unboxing of this and then do some physical comparison with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So let's see. First at the box. As you can see, they do exactly the same as Apple is doing now. They're removing the power brick and also the headphones in the box. So the box can be thinner, as you can see here. Exactly as Apple did with the iPhone 12. So, a really nice box. So let's do the magical thing here. Worked great. Really great. And here is the S21 Ultra itself. Wow. But let's see that later on. What's more in the box? We have some documentation and a USB Type-C cable for charging. You have USB-C in both ends, as you can see here. USB Type-C for charging. But as I said, no power brick in the box. So you will have to use your own if you have one earlier, or buy one. Of course you can buy one Samsung. For example, I have done some videos about some chargers from Samsung. You can find that on my channel. And on the back side of this we have a SIM card pin. Nice. So let's see the phone itself. Let's remove this plastic cover. Like so, on the front and on the back. Beautiful. And also on the camera module. Like so. And as you can see, this is the one with 256 GB of storage, 12 GB of RAM memory, and it's Phantom Black, the color. And I must say that the color looks gorgeous. And it feels so good, this matte black kind of color. Feels really nice. And as you can see, the camera module here, really nice. The front itself, as you can see, very tiny camera hole on the front. And on the side we have a volume rocker and a power button. And on the other side we don't have anything. And at the bottom we have USB Type-C and some speakers and microphones and so on. And on the top we have the SIM card tray. Unfortunately, we don't have a micro SD card slot anymore. I think that's one of the best things with Galaxy phones. But unfortunately, Samsung has removed that for the S21 Ultra. I have that with a Note 10 Plus. So let's power this beautiful phone on. Like so. And meanwhile, we can do some comparison. As you can see, it's a bit taller than the Note 10 Plus, But the Note 10 Plus, it's a bit wider actually. At least it feels like it. Maybe because the design on the Note is flat and on the S21 Ultra it's rounded corners and so on. Actually, I prefer the more flat design and the more bricky design on the Note. But this color, I must say, on the S21 Ultra is gorgeous. And the camera module now, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. And as you can see, it goes into the complete design in the corner and all that. The camera module looks gorgeous. But as you can see, it's quite a bit thicker than the Note 10 Plus. The camera module, of course, is a lot thicker, but also the body of the phone is thicker on the S21 Ultra. Quite a bit actually. So Note 10 Plus is thinner, lighter and not so high. As you know, you can do phones with a taller aspect ratio, but you get a large display with a taller aspect ratio. But when you have that phone in landscape mode, it doesn't show videos so good, I think, because they are not so tall, a lot smaller, if you know what I mean. It's wider but not so tall. And the Note 10 Plus, it's a bit better for that because it's a bit taller when having it in landscape mode. Of course, it's not so tall when you have it in portrait mode. Then the S21 Ultra is taller. Not so much actually, but anyway, it feels taller at least. So this comparison with the Note 10 Plus, as you can see on the back side here, this is matte black, Phantom Black as Samsung calls it, and this color is very glossy, as you can see. So you get a lot of fingerprints on this one, but on this matte black Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra we will not have so many fingerprints and so on. I think it looks gorgeous, really beautiful. This phone is so beautiful. That is something that Samsung has really succeeded with. And as you can see here, the camera hole is quite small. Looks great compared to the iPhone very large notch. But the reason why the iPhone has a very large notch is because of Face ID. Apple has a hard time making it smaller because the Face ID is so good and so fast and so on. And as you can see, the camera hole is actually smaller on the S21 Ultra than it is on the Note 10 Plus. That's interesting. As you can see, the S21 Ultra camera hole is smaller than it is on the Note 10 Plus. But this phone is actually amazing. I really like this one. The Phantom Black is the color to choose when you buy this phone. Definitely. It looks gorgeous. I really love this phone. So that was an unboxing and a short physical comparison with the Note 10 Plus. I like the design of the S21 Ultra a lot. But I also like the more boxy feeling of the Note 10 Plus. I don't use the pen. I never use the pen on the Note 10. So having the S21 Ultra 5G without a pen is not a problem. I don't need the pen. So this is a great phone. If you will have an Android phone, this is the phone to buy. This is the best Android phone on the market. Definitely. And also one of the most beautiful ones. Very high build quality and it looks awesome. And as you can see here, it jiggles a lot when it's on the table with the camera module at the table. Really much actually. So if you will have it on the table, do like this. Okay. Bye.